guys, and welcome to Gigi's World. I'm Gigi, and today is 5-ingredient Monday, which means I will be making a simple, inexpensive, and healthy meal that only includes 5 ingredients. So for today, I chose to make a breakfast that will be a waffle, eggs, and bacon. And I chose these 5 ingredients. I chose this paleo pancake mix, which has cassava flour, coconut flour, and almond flour, amongst other things, and it does not include any sugar, which is a healthier alternative to a regular pancake mix. I chose these pasture-raised eggs, strawberries, maple syrup, and bacon. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to do is cook the bacon, since that will take the longest. So I'm going to grab my bacon bag and go ahead and go to my stove, which I've set the pan on low to get started. So let's go. Okay, so I've preheated the pan, as I said before, and now I'm just going to put the bacon there. I'm going to try and spread it out and cook each side, I'd say, for about 5 minutes, and then we'll see how it's doing. Okay, so all the bacon is in the pan, and I'm going to go ahead and set the timer for 5 minutes. Okay, so I've gone ahead and set the timer for 5 minutes, and I have my pan on medium heat. So now I'm going to go ahead and mix the waffle mix with the water. And I've pre-measured the waffle mix, which is 1 cup, and the water as well, which is 3/4 of a cup. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in here and give it a mix until it's smooth. And then I'm going to go ahead and put it aside and start working on my eggs. Since this will be ready, I say within 3 to 4 minutes, I want to go ahead and do the eggs after I'm done mixing this. And I'll just let it sit here and be ready to go. Mix, mix, mix. Okay, now that it's been mixed, I'm going to go ahead and transfer it into this measuring cup because it will be easier to pour into the waffle maker. Okay, so next are the eggs. I'm going to go ahead and crack about 4 eggs and mix them, add a little bit of salt, and then go ahead and cook them. And actually, the alarm for the bacon is about to go off. I just heard the pre-timer, so I'm going to go ahead and take a look at that first. Let's go. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes, and I'm going to turn off the alarm, turn the bacon around, and then set it for another 5 minutes, and we'll see how it's doing then. Okay, so I flipped it around, and now I'm going to set my alarm for another 5 minutes, and then I'll check on it. I'm also going to turn on the pan for the eggs and get that started while I mix the eggs. I'm leaving it on medium heat, and I'm going to put a little bit of coconut oil on it as well while it waits. Okay, so both of my pans are going, and now I'm going to crack 4 eggs, add some salt, whisk it with a whisker, and then add it to the pan. So here we go. First egg. Second egg. Third egg. 1 more, and then I'll add the salt. Just add a little bit of salt. You can add as much salt as you usually add to your eggs, and just whisk it. And that's super simple to make. So let's go on over and put it on the pan. So I'm just gonna pour it in. And I'm going to move it around with this wooden spatula. And while I'm actually doing this, I'm going to turn on the waffle maker so that it starts warming up. Okay, it seems like the eggs were ready really fast. The alarm's going off, so I'm going to check on the bacon. Okay, that looks pretty much done. I'm going to turn it around again and just go ahead and turn off the pan and let it continue to cook with the heat that it has going on. Okay, so I flipped it around and it looks like it's going to just keep cooking, so I'm going to remove it from the heat and put it over here while I check on my eggs. Okay, these are also ready. Let me go ahead and turn off this pan. And now I'm going to add the waffle mix to the waffle maker. And I've already pre-greased it with coconut oil, so let me just go ahead and grab the batter. Okay, so here's the waffle mix. I'm going to take it over to the waffle maker and pour it in. So let's go ahead and do that, and that's our last step to our breakfast meal. Okay, so my waffle mix seemed a little bit not so runny, so I added about a 1/4 cup more of water, and now I'm just putting it in here, and I'm going to spread it out a little bit, and then close it and let it cook. Okay, so now that I put the waffle in the waffle maker, I'm going to go ahead and wait for the waffle maker bell to go off, and I'm going to grab my strawberries and wash a few of them so that I can put it on top of the waffle. Oh, there's the alarm. Let me check on it. Okay, so that was really quick and it took like 2 minutes, I'd say. Wow, it looks like it's ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off while I rinse the strawberries. Okay, so I've washed 3 strawberries. Now I'm just going to go ahead and slice them up. And while I do this, I forgot to mention that I only spent under $30 for this meal, and although I'm only making a meal for 1 person right now, there's plenty left over for 3 other people. Okay, I've sliced this up. Now I'm going to go ahead and plate the meal and give it a try. So let's go. Okay, so I've gone ahead and plated the meal, the breakfast meal. Now I just want to finish it off with my maple syrup, and I want to add some sliced strawberries on top of the waffle. So, whoops, there we go. Now I'm just going to add some strawberries on top, and then I'll give it a try and let you guys know what it tastes like. Okay, so let's go ahead and try it. I've also set some water here to my side so that I can go ahead and have it with my meal. Okay, so I'm going to try the waffle first and let you know what I think with a slice of strawberry. That is really good, and I can't believe it's wheat-free. Now let's try the bacon. That is nice and crispy, and it only took 10 minutes to make. Now I'm going to try the egg. That is really good. This is one delicious breakfast, and I can't believe it was really simple to make, inexpensive, and at the same time healthy. I want to thank you guys for watching my video. So please stay tuned for next Monday's 5-ingredient Monday. And if you like this video, please go down below, like my video, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell so that next time that I upload a video, you guys will be notified. Thank you. Bye-bye.